Hello viewers, welcome back to your channel. You are watching Vedic Wonder Max. Today we are going to learn in this class. Beads are given. We will find the values and that is the first one. And second one, if value is given, we will draw the beads for the given values. Okay, let's go to our topic. This is the first problem. Here only take one rod, so this is ones place. What is the value of upper bead? 5, and lower bead, each bead contains 1 so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Second one, here two rods are taken, so what is the value of first we will write ones place. What is the value of upper bead? 5, so I will write 5, and this is the tens place. T for tens, O for ones. So 1, these are all of lower beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Total 45. Here two rods are taken. First we write ones place. That is the lower bead. So the value of the lower bead value is only 1. And these are also lower beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4. Total 41. Next fourth one. Here also two place values, tens and ones. So ones place upper bead 5 and 6. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. Total answer is 86. And here 5, upper bead value 5, at tens place upper bead value 5. Total 55. Here 1, 2, 3. Here also tens place 2 lower beads. 2 means 2 value. Total 23. These are the, if the beads are given, we will write the answers. Okay na? Second step, here look at these problems. What is the given number? 57. So here how many tens and how many ones? 7 ones and 5 tens. So at tens column we will write one bead draw, that is the upper bead 5, and lower beads here 7. So upper bead 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay now. Next second problem. Here given number is 149. So here three place values, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So first we write ones place. How many, which number is given? 9. So 1 upper bead. Upper bead means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many tens places are there? 4. So here we draw 4 beads at tens place. 2, 3, 4. And what is the given value at hundreds place? Only 1. So here we draw hundreds place, one bead. Next third problem, which is what is the given number? 15. So 5 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place. 15. Here 59. So ones place 9, tens place 5. So here at first we draw the ones place 9 beads. 9 beads means 1 upper bead and 4 lower beads. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tens place we draw only 5. 5 means we will draw lower beads or upper beads? Upper bead 5, 59. Here what is the given number? 84. 84. So first we draw 4 ones, 3, 4, and here Okay, here tens place at 8, so upper bit 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the last problem for this video. What is the given number? 48. So 8 is at ones place, 48. So 8 ones and 4 tens. So 8 ones we draw, 8 ones at ones place, 1 upper bit, 1, 2, 3 lower bits. Here what is the given value to tens place? 4. So here draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 48. Thank you for watching.